Welcome to our comprehensive guide on transferring money with Stake Bank. In this video, we'll explore both domestic and international transfers, ensuring you feel confident and informed. Let's start with domestic transfers. Stake Bank provides an easy interface for sending money within your home country. To initiate a domestic transfer, first, log into your Stake Bank app, select Transfers, and then choose Domestic Transfer. Follow the prompts to enter the recipient's details. When using Stake Bank for domestic transfers, it's essential to understand the fees and limits. Stay tuned for the breakdown of these important details. Safety is a top priority at Stake Bank. Their domestic transfer services utilize advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your funds. Now, let's look at international transfers. Stake Bank makes sending money abroad simple and efficient. To start an international transfer, open the app, select Transfers, and then International Transfer. Follow the guided prompts to enter the necessary information. While transferring money internationally, be mindful of currency conversion fees. Stake Bank will display these fees during the process. Transfer times can vary. Domestic transfers usually complete within minutes, while international transfers may take 1 to 3 business days. In conclusion, Stake Bank offers a reliable and secure way to transfer money, both domestically and internationally. Keep these tips in mind to make your experience smooth and effective.